Hey guys, it's Ben from Sketch Sesh. Thanks for tuning in again, and today we're going to go through everything that you need to do as a product or industrial design student to land that first job after you graduate. So the first thing that you need to do is take advantage of all of the resources that your college or university has that you can use. So whether that's just 3D printing or the workshop that they have, this will be vital for when you show your portfolio to employers, because it will just give you a wide range of skills and items that you can show to them. Number two, go out and get yourself an internship. We can't find connections, but your tutor or lecturer will have connections because they will have worked at some point. So they can help you find them, or you can just get yourself on LinkedIn, start asking about, find local places. But there is a caveat to this: do not do it for free. You will either have to have them pay your expenses at a minimum, because you don't want people taking advantage of you. Number three, make sure you practice your CAD skills. They are vital for when you go out into industry. Yeah, they can be honed in industry, but you showing your ability to illustrate detail is very vital, especially when you're getting things ready for design for manufacture. You don't want Joe Bloggs on the shop floor sort of making it up for himself, and you may not have the same idea that you do, and it could be a massive mistake that can cost you or your company a lot of money. Number four, backing onto that, don't be afraid to make mistakes. You know, everyone's prone to them, we're all human at the end of the day, but the thing is, with mistakes you will learn from it, and there are a lot of teaching from mistakes. So whether you're getting more senior in your career, you can give those teachers to people below you so that they don't make them. But you know, don't be afraid to push the boat out and take risks. You know, it does benefit you, and it can benefit who you work for. Me personally, I've made a lot of mistakes throughout my career, but I've always learned from them and got better because of making mistakes. Number five, practice sketching. It is good fun, it's therapeutic, and even when you're feeling tired or hungover if you're at uni or college, just get on the sofa, just sketch, get ideas down on paper, especially if you're doing the final major project, because the more ideas that you put down on paper, the more clarity you'll gain towards that final concept, because things can get very sort of stressful, especially towards the end. You don't want to be rushing it, you just want to get it down on paper, develop it, get as much detail in there, try and expand on little things as possible. Thanks for watching. That's 5 key things that you need to do to try and gain employment after you graduate from university or college. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and the next video I'll be going through labelling your drawings, making notes on items, so that'd be really good if you could all join for that.